Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Trunk in Brawl Stars. To begin, it's essential to understand that Trunk refers to a special collection of in-game rewards, often containing exclusive items like Brawlers, star powers, or gadgets. Your first step is to ensure your game is updated to the latest version. Then, navigate to the main menu and look for the dedicated Trunk section, usually indicated by a unique icon. This will be your hub for tracking progress and claiming your valuable loot. Earning Trunk rewards involves several key activities. Firstly, focus on completing your daily and weekly quests. These often provide significant progress towards unlocking new Trunks. Secondly, engage in specific game modes, such as Power League or special events, which frequently offer Trunk components or even full Trunks as completion rewards. Don't forget to open your regular Brawl boxes, big boxes, and mega boxes, as they can also randomly contain elements that contribute to your Trunk collection. To maximize your Trunk gains, consider joining an active club. Club activities often yield bonus rewards and contribute to collective Trunk progress. Furthermore, mastering your Brawlers and using their star powers and gadgets strategically in battles can lead to higher trophy counts and more frequent reward opportunities. Finally, be strategic with your gems. Sometimes, limited-time offers or special events provide excellent value for acquiring Trunks or their valuable contents, so save up for those opportune moments. For the best Trunk acquisition, avoid common pitfalls. Don't waste your precious resources on methods that offer minimal Trunk progress. Instead, prioritize consistent daily logins and gameplay to ensure you're always earning. Focus on completing challenges and participating in events that explicitly state Trunk components or full Trunks as rewards. By following these best practices, you'll steadily build your collection and unlock all the exciting items the Trunk system has to offer in Brawl Stars.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.